Hi Taurians, Happy New Year. This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha and I'm going to help you with the coming year and let us see what the coming year has in store for you, Taurians. So what I've decided this time is I will be removing 12 cards, each for every month starting from January to December so that I can give you a trailer for each and every month. Okay, so you know ki what do you have to do in this month or what do you have to understand for that month, and it really helps for me. And a lot of people keep asking me for the yearly readings, and I hope that helps you. So, guys, definitely share this video with your fellow zodiac people, and even there are other videos in the whole playlist where you could share for someone whom you know has a certain zodiac sign. So let's see. Taurians, lovely. Taurians, January is going to be very good regarding career life. All right. Overall things are fine, but the trailer for January is career life, and the learning is you cannot be dependent on others. You have to do everything by yourself. Only then you are going to get success. So people who keep looking at others, wo kya bolega, what will this person think, or I should ask for validation of this person, that's not going to work at all. So you will have to take your own decisions and you will have to be responsible towards them. But the way the card has been telling me you might go into a little ego zone, and by ego I always not mean ahankar, but I did it. Sometimes we just do it for appreciation purpose. Oh, I prepared this food and I prepared this rice, and then yeah, I mean, but then you keep on telling that and you put it on Instagram, and then me, and if you do not get that kind of an appreciation, then you get a little hurt. So that's a perspective which you need to understand. Overall, January is a very good month. We come to February. I don't know. Sometimes I'm very uncomfortable talking about external energies like jealousy, envy, hatred, people not liking your success and all. But what to do? It's the truth. It does exist. You might be experiencing that in February, especially again the whole reading this time, the whole 2023 reading is for Taurians especially is a very careeristic reading. So lot of things are going to happen with your job and career. Not, I mean, this is not much of a relationship year for you all. So again, I come down to February. You might feel a little victimized by people. Don't worry, don't get scared. So you might feel a little victimized by people just because they do not like your success. And again, I told you, if you're going to do me, myself, I, me, myself, in January, this is definitely going to happen. So do your work and don't boast about it. Then February won't affect you. It's as simple. All right. Come to March. March is again a very good month because all these people will be taken care of by you. You will be able to, take care of the beast. All right. Amazing. So it's a very self-motivated year, very self year. I'm liking that. So in March, you will have a lot of strength, a lot of power. And I always say when you talk about power, it's more about your inner power and your power of love, unconditional love. You will be able to deal with the beasts, the demons. Sometimes the demons are inside, sometimes they're outside. So you will be able to deal with them in March. Yay! Alright. Comes April. Alright. You'll meet someone in April who will be of great use. Again, it's more about career and money here. Uh, you need someone like a financial advisor, maybe, or someone who will help you with your money management or with your money stuff. The energies would be feminine energies and within the age of 40 to 60. All right. And by feminine energies, I do not mean male or female. Whoever, even females sometimes have a lot of masculine energy and males have feminine energy, which is fair. So you will meet someone whom you will be able to gel, and he or she will be a very good advisor. Just the age group will be 40 to 60, and they will be financially very secure people, right? So let me know in the comment section whatever I tell you, what happens with you. Do let me know in the comment section, right? So that was April. May, again, I don't know why here with Taurians this is happening, that they want to rule. Since January I'm seeing that they want to rule. They want to rule the world, which is fine. Just that you can rule with love. There's no need to control, there's no need to dictate. Yeah, again, May shows that you will rule, but again, when you become a dictator, no one likes you, and the loop continues. So just calm down. I think you should be using something like a moonstone or a clear quartz. See, like this is a clear quartz. This is still a wand of clear quartz, but you get tumbles also, which you can put in your water and drink that water. I am a very fiery person, and I'm a very speedy person, and I want things in a certain way. And when I want to really calm down, I put my clear quartz tumble in the water and I drink that crystalline water. That water also detoxifies the body. And batch flower therapies also help. The therapies from the flower extracts you can Google, and I am a proper batch flower therapist as well. So you can also consult me or anyone who knows batch flower therapy. All right, that was May. June. June, you might get a proposal. Now, here is something in relating to relationships. So, people who are waiting to get a proposal, you will get a proposal. Something in relationship will work uh, in June, and it's a good proposal, and you should be considering that. Unless uh, you only have to match up to the depth of the person. Like me as a person, I'm a very deep person, so I'll get very deep into a relationship, and I expect the same from the other person. But there are people who are like, give me my space and I'll give you your space, and no relationship is good and bad. So people who are both of the space, they'll actually have a very good long term relationship. And two people who are really deep in a relationship might have amazing relationship. But then proposal will come for sure. But just you have to maintain the harmony. The card name is harmony. You will have to understand the requirements, emotional requirements of the other person. But I feel it is a nice proposal. You should take it, or else you can again consult me in June. So let's see. You can tell me the name and everything, and I'll give you all the details of the person. All right, June, July, some court case. Oh my God, I don't know why today I felt like keeping this Pyra card with me. The legal and court case somehow. The first time I've put this Pyra card here, some court case will bother you. And sorry to say, but you will have to very smartly deal with the court case. Not the whole truth is going to make you win the situation. You will have to weigh all the possibilities. You will have to be very smart. You will have to place your chessboard very properly. You will need some lawyer or some legal advisor who's really, really very fiery and very smart. The truth is not going to save you. I mean, the only truth is not going to save you. All right. That's about the legal part in July. August, lot of mental talking, chatter will happen. Cha, 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 cha. And that is why you will feel a little stressed, frustrated, irritated, or whatever you say. So, sometimes you don't know when to listen to your heart and when to listen to your mind. This is a time that you'll be listening to your head more, the logical, the analytical, the rational part more, and that is really going to give you a hopeless situation. So, this is a time when you should be taking spiritual advice from people like us or anyone whom you know, or even a friend. Do not go very headstrong. This is going to really make you unhappy. Okay? And that's the trailer of the month. I'm again talking month by month. It's just a trailer of the month. In this month, this would definitely happen. So think about it. Uh, September. Now, September is very good. Again, a lot of spiritual blessings. Maybe here, if you learn your lesson in August, September will give you this. So, yes, you will. I think after the court case and all these mental conflicts, you'll be into a Zen state. And you'll get a lot of spiritual blessings. You'll be able to overcome your mental calamities. It's a nice, it's a nice card in August. Sorry, what's that? September. Right. So, October. October you will meet someone or you will be caught in a circumstance where you will have to give away your karma. Now, when I say karma, don't count it as a punishment. So, sometimes if you have to reap your fruits, you know, of some past life, or even in this life, you've done something good, and a person comes back after 20 years and says that, 20 years back, you've lended me this much of money now. I want to give something back to you. This is the money with interest. And if you don't take that, again, you are imbalancing your karma. So karma is not every time punishment. Karma is this is the time that your actions will be rewarded or your actions will be given some perspective and they'll come back to you. So we'll experience how that person experienced at that point in time when you did a certain thing. So karma comes back at you in both ways, good ways and bad ways. In the sense of the 3D world. Rather, I always say everything in life, including truth and lies, is a perspective. That there's nothing right and wrong in this universe. So this is karma time, October. If someone is troubling you, if some circumstances troubling you, if you're going through something, please meet us because we specialize in karma balancing. And this is the card of karma somehow we can actually balance karmas with a person if a person is troubling you. Like I feel again this court case might go till October, and maybe there are some karmic connections with this whatever circumstance. So unless you balance your karma or learn your lesson or burn off your karma, it's not going to balance, right? Now actually November and December is something to really look at. Okay, holiday time, nice time. So yes, a very good card, I must say, for November. So success will be there from all sides. Again, only if you learn your lessons well. I'm always telling you, the cards, if there are certain challenging cards, they only come in the way when you don't learn your lessons. So if you learn your lessons, these cards will change when I do a reading for you again. Only if you learn your lessons. If you don't learn your lessons, they will be the same cards or similar cards. And mind you, I'm doing tarot reading since 1999. I have seen same cards after 20 years also. And I generally, when I take up a case, I write my cards. So after 20 years also, if I am going through the case study, I'm like the same cards. So you didn't learn your lesson. What to do? The problems will be the same. 20 years back also she was searching for marriage and abhi tak samjhi nahi hai, so yeah, so you learn your lessons, the card should be changing again. In December also You'll be getting something that you are expecting. So expectations will be fulfilled. I'm so happy with your cards. They're very interesting, Taurians. This time the cards are very, very interesting. Overall, it just shows that you should not go into an ego zone very easily. Don't go into a headstrong zone very easily. See to it that you balance situations. So you could actually, keep this clear chords with you so that you get a lot of clarity. And for negativity removal, you can keep tourmaline. I don't have a black tourmaline with you. So a white and a black, similar thing comes in black. If you keep, then your yin yang energy is also balanced. The male female energy is also balanced, and you're protected and you get that clarity as well. I think that's the tip for you. All right, so Taurians, have a happy new year, and I hope you really liked and what I said, and it gave you a perspective. This is just a reading. You have to run your life. You have to drive your life. All right. So happy new year, Taurians. See you. Bye bye.